Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see subject science and lesson is solid, liquid and gas. Okay. What matter is? All things, whether living or non-living, are made up of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Matter is made up of all small particles called atoms and molecules. Okay, so they have given a time to recall. They have given a small exercise we see. Okay, time to recall. Fill in the blanks. All things are made up of dash. We have read this in page. All things are made up of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Everything on this universe is made up of tiny particles called atom. Two or more atoms combine together to form molecule. The three physical states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Any container appearing to be empty has air in it. Okay. Next we are going to see intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is the space between two molecules. It is the force of attraction that holds the molecule together. This force of attraction is very strong in solid, weaker in liquids and very weak in gases. When a substance is that dissolves in liquid, it does not increase the volume of liquid. This is because it occupies the intermolecular space in the liquid. Okay. When a substance is that dissolve in liquid, it does not increase the volume of liquid. That is true only if you activity it is an experiment. Take a glass and pour water, then pour 1 cap of ink. It will be increasing the volume. It will be changed the color of the water. So they have given an activity time. Okay. These intermolecular space is given as activity that I say now. Okay. Next page. Take next page. The lines that I have underlined should be underlined in your textbooks. That may help full in exams. Now we will go to the lesson. Changes in the states of matter. Water is found in all three states of matter: solid, ice; liquid, water; and gas, as vapor or water vapor or vapor. When water changes its form, the molecules remain the same, but the space between the molecule change. Okay. They have given a picture. Ice cubes in container. Then if we keep the ice in the hot place, it will be melting. That have given here. Then see here, water is there. Water can be freezing this into ice. Okay. This liquid. This one is liquid. So we are heating the water will become vaporization. Then heating the water into normal water, that will be coming condensation. Okay. Gas is water vapor. Next, the above change is a physical change in which only the physical properties of substances change. They are reversible. More examples are cutting of vegetables, breaking of eggshells. Okay. Next one is a change in which a new substance is formed is called chemical change. It is irreversible. For example, burning of paper, rusting of iron, cooking of food, ripening of food, etc. They have given the pictures. Okay, right. Now next we will go solution. You should underline this first line, what I am telling. A solution is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in such a way they are evenly distributed. This should be underlined in your textbooks. This is the meaning of solution. The substance that gets dissolved is called the solute. The substance which dissolves the solute is called solvent. For example, next page, turn your next page. Next, turn page. When we mix sugar as solute in water solvent, sugar breaks into smaller particles. The sugar molecules fill in the empty spaces between the water molecule and form the sugar solution. Thus, sugar is said to be soluble in water. Soluble means the thing that dissolves in water completely is called soluble. Example, sugar and salt, okay, etc. Then non-soluble means the thing that do not dissolve in water is called non-soluble. For example, sand or chalk. Okay, they have given a picture, a container they have kept, then poured water in that container, added sugar, waited for a few minutes. They have given a sugar solution. Okay, next one. Miscible and immiscible liquids. When two or more liquids dissolve in each other completely, they are called miscible liquids. For example, milk is miscible in water. Okay. When two or more liquids do not dissolve in each other, they are called immiscible liquids. For example, oil is immiscible in water. Okay. Some gases can dissolve in water. Fish and other aquatic animals can breathe in oxygen, which is dissolved in water. Soft drinks have fizz because carbon dioxide is dissolved in it. Next, I have time to recall. I didn't wrote answers. You should write answers in comment box. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.